everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own white chocolate candy. Super easy. See, I made a little bunny, an egg, and a butterfly, and these are fun to have your kiddos help. And it's just a little fun treat for them. I know a lot of white chocolate and chocolate around Easter time is frustrating for parents when their kids have allergies, so this is just a fun thing you can do at home, and you know it will be safe. So basically all you need are some cookie cutters, and you just want to take a paper towel and spray some cooking spray on them and go all around the inside so your white chocolate doesn't stick. And then you need white chocolate, of course, depending on how many you want to make. Two of the square almond bark made these three little shapes here. This bunny, the egg, and the butterfly. That was 2 squares. Then you also need just whatever you want to decorate. I have eyes, I have a black gel pen, I've got some candy corn cut up. Those were the teeth, and I used that for the nose. Sprinkles, cookie writers, sugar crystals, just whatever you want to make it fun. Okay, so first you want to just go ahead and melt your white chocolate in the microwave. I just do mine in 30-second increments. It takes about close to 2 minutes for the 2 squares. And then go ahead and pick out which ones you're going to use for this. For Taste Tester, he wants to do these 3. So you just basically want to hold it down and spoon in your mixture all through there and decorate it as soon as possible because the white chocolate does harden fast. Okay, and now the fun part, you get to decorate. Go ahead, put your eyeballs on wherever you want them. Okay. And then after you are done decorating, you can go ahead and stick those in the refrigerator, and they should harden up really fast. And then you can finish decorating them if you want to use the gel writers or anything else. Okay, taste testers have all set up now. His poor little rabbit has some crazy eyes. But those pop out pretty easy out of your cookie cutter. I wouldn't suggest having anything with too sharp of edges because that might not work. But now you can just decorate them more if you want. We have the gel pens. I'm going to let him try. Now little taste tester is just going to draw a nose on his bunny, a green nose, because that's what he likes. And if you've never tried those edible gel pens, they are awesome. Okay, our white chocolates are all finished. You could also add a little stick in those if you wanted to make little suckers or whatever you want to do. Have fun with it. They're awfully fun to make. So now we're going to have Taste Tester have a little taste. You want to try an egg?
Yeah.
Okay, here you go, Taste Tester. You could also do dark chocolate or milk chocolate.
Okay.
Take it. Have a little taste. It's probably hard. And those will melt really fast, I'm sure, because they are just white chocolate that was put in the microwave.
Yeah, I mean.
Did you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Happy Easter.
Happy